Good morning, dear students. Today we have to revise first unit. The most important questions every year asking in the university, that are we have to discuss. Especially they are asking the molecular energy level diagram of oxygen, nitrogen and fluorine, pi molecular orbitals of butadiene and hydrogen. These are the most important questions. Today we have to discuss all these things. So one by one we have to discuss. Now the molecular orbital and energy level diagram of nitrogen. So the question is, what is, draw the molecular energy level diagram and what is the bonding order, what is the magnetic property, they will ask you. So we have to draw this energy level diagram, energy level diagram. Of nitrogen. So this is the energy and level mean here nitrogen atoms, two nitrogen atoms combined to form a nitrogen molecule. So one nitrogen atom with 7 electrons, another nitrogen atom with 7 electrons. Total 14 electrons are there. In the 1s level is having the 2 electrons, mean 4 electrons, two electrons from one hydrogen atom and 2 electrons from one nitrogen atom. So mean 4 electrons in 1s level. That is 1s level. So now in the 2s level total 10 electrons are there. So the 2s level having the 4 electrons and 6 electrons are the 2p level. So total 14. So we have to study the outermost electron configuration, only 2s level and 2p level in the molecule, not 1s level. In the 2s level, the 2 electrons of nitrogen atom, one nitrogen atom, and another 2 electrons comes from another 2 nitrogen atom, or pairing. 2 are occupied in the 2s level of nitrogen, that is a sigma 2s, means bonding takes place. 2 electrons, one electron comes from the one nitrogen atom and one comes from the another nitrogen atom, and pairing takes place at sigma level, sigma 2s, I mean bonding takes place. And 2 are, mean one comes from the nitrogen and another comes from nitrogen, or bonding takes place, anti-bonding takes place at 2s level. Mean in 2s level 2 electrons anti-bonding and 2 electrons are bonding electrons, total 4 electrons. In the 2p level px, py and pz. So 2 electrons px and py orbitals, 2 electrons from one p orbital of nitrogen atom and 2 electrons of 2p orbital of another nitrogen atom. So occupied into pi 2px and pi 2pz. Here 4 electrons, pi 2px containing 2 electrons and pi 2py containing 2 electrons. This is the lower energy level in the sigma 2pz. The 2pz electrons are one coming from that one electron comes from the nitrogen atom of one p orbital ptz, and one electron comes from the 2pz of nitrogen atom. Here occupy the 2pz. So total 6 electrons. Total 6 electrons are bonding. There is no antibonding electrons in nitrogen atom. And here the 2 electrons in 2 antibonding electrons are present in the 2s level, but not having in the 2p level. So overall only 2 antibonding electrons are present. 2 antibonding electrons are present. And total 8 electrons, 8 bonding electrons. In the 2p level 6 and 2s level 2. So total. So now how can you calculate the bonding order? We know that half into half into 8 many bonding electrons. Bonding electrons are how many? Here 6 plus 2, 8 bonding electrons minus antibonding. Antibonding electrons are 2. So here 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. So 6 by 2 is equal to 3. So the bonding order is the 3. The bonding order is the 3. And what is the magnetic property? So magnetic property means here all our paired electrons are present in the molecular level. All are paired. See here all are paired. Here this one is paired. This one is a pair. In the molecular level all electrons are paired. That is the reason it shows the diamagnetic property. Diamagnetic property. Okay. So next oxygen atom. Here also same. Draw the energy level diagram of oxygen atom and what is the magnetic property and what is the diamagnetic. What is the magnetic property? What is the bond order? And one more thing before going to discuss that electron configuration. Sometimes they will ask the electron configuration also. So what is the molecular electronic configuration? Molecular electronic configuration. So this one is the electronic configuration, atomic electron. But here the molecular configuration. So molecular electron configuration. See here sigma 2s containing the 2 electron means sigma 2s2 and sigma star 2s2 and pi 2px2, pi 2py2 and sigma 2pz 2 electrons. This is the molecular energy level configuration. So this is also sometimes may ask for 2 marks question. In molecular energy level diagram of oxygen, see here this is the energy level and here the 2 oxygen atoms. Similarly we have to write the nitrogen, draw nitrogen atom like 2 oxygen combined together to form the nitrogen oxygen. 2 oxygens combined together to form the oxygen molecule. So in the 2s level the 2 electrons comes from the 2s orbital of oxygen atom and 2 electrons comes from the oxygen another hydrogen atom. So 2 are occupied in the sigma 2s level mean the bonding electrons. So these are the bonding electrons and 2 are in anti-bonding. 2 are occupied at higher level, that is a sigma star 2s. Mean in 2s level of oxygen atom mean 2 are anti-bonding, 2 are bonding electrons. Whereas in the 2p level, the 2p level are containing the 4 electrons of each oxygen atom. So here the 2pz is a lower level. 2pz orbital is a lower level. Mean so 1 electron from the 2pz of oxygen atom, another electron comes from the 2pz. So the 2 electrons are occupied at a lower level of the 2pz. 2pz, this is the lower level 2pz. And another 2 electrons, one coming from that oxygen, 2 comes from the oxygen atom. So 2 are coming from the 2 electrons comes from the another oxygen atom. Total 4 electrons occupied at pi 2px and pi 2py. So total 4 electrons in 2 pi p 2px, pi 2py and 2pz. Total 6 electrons are bonding electrons in 2p level. And last 1 electron comes from the 2p level of oxygen atom and 1 electron comes from that another oxygen atoms occupied at anti-bonding level, that is pi star 2px and pi star 2py. The pi star 2px is 1 electron and pi star 2py also having the 1 2 electron. So these 2 are anti-bonding electrons. In 2p level of oxygen atom, 2 are anti-bonding and 6 are bonding electrons. And total bonding electrons are 8, here p level 6 and 2 level 2, total 8 electrons are there, total 8 electrons, bonding electrons, and anti-bonding electrons in 2p level are 2, 2p level are 2 and in 2s level are 2, total 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. So 4 by 2, 2. So bonding order of oxygen atom is 2. And here what is the magnetic property? In the earlier we know that all our paired is the diamagnetic, but here the paramagnetic, because the unpaired electrons are present in the oxygen atom. And now fluorine. What is the fluorine? Draw the electron energy diagram of fluorine, and what is the electron configuration and bond order and magnetic property. These are very important of fluorine. And here also in the 2s level and 2p level, 2p level is having 5 electrons and 2s level are 2 electrons. Both are, so total electrons are in 2s level 2 are bonding electrons, 2 are anti-bonding electrons. Here 2 electrons occupied at 2pz level and 4 electrons in 2px and 2py. So 6 electrons are bonding in the 2p level and 4 electrons anti-bonding, that pi star 2px and pi star 2py. So total 4 electrons, 4 anti-bonding electrons are present in the 2p level of fluorine atom. Molecular orbitals of pi 2px and pi 2py, total containing the 4 electrons. Mean the F2 molecules, total number of bonding electrons 8, total number of bonding electrons here 6 and here 2, so total 8 electrons, and anti-bonding electrons here 4 and here 2, so 8 minus 6 is the 2, so 2 by 2 mean half, here half, so 2 by 2 is equal to 1, so 1 is the bonding electrons, and the magnetic property is the diamagnetic, because all are paired electrons are there, like nitrogen molecules. Here also nitrogen paired electrons, it's a diamagnetic. Similarly, so fluorine also diamagnetic. And electron configuration, molecular electron configuration, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, and sigma 2p, and pi 2px2, pi 2py2, and pi star 2px2 and pi star 2py. So this is the molecular electron configuration. And now pi molecular orbitals of 1,3-butadiene. It is a very important question. So 1,3-butadiene, we know that CH2, CH, CH, CH2. This is the organic molecule 1,3. So 1, this is the 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 carbons are there. So 4 carbons mean 4 p orbitals are present. So 4 p orbitals mean the pi bonds are at one position and 3 positions, mean 2 double bonds are 1,3-butadiene. We can say 1,3-butadiene. In this, here 4 p orbitals present, that each carbon is having 1 electron. Each carbon is having 1 electron. Total number of p electrons are 4. So we can write this is the pericenter. This is the pericenter. So below the pericenter of this carbon is the bonding electrons. We can say what is that? Bonding electrons. And above this line are anti-bonding electrons. So we can divide it into 4 types are there. That is psi 1. This is the psi 1, psi 2, psi 3, and psi 4. Or we can say star, because anti-bonding. Psi 1, psi 2, psi 3, psi 4. We have to write the psi 1, psi 2 and psi star 3, psi star 4. Or we can write pi 1, pi 2, pi star 3, pi star 4. So we have to divide like these 4 p orbitals. Okay, levels. So in the Psi1, here see one carbon atom, the C1, and this is the C1, C2 and C3, C4. Okay, this is C2, C1, C2, C3 and C4 carbons are there. So 4 carbons, the bond, the sharing of a pair of electrons mean the pi. Here the bond between the C1 and C2, C2 and C3 and C3 and C4. So total number of bonding are 3 bonding hours are there. Here in the Psi1 level or pi1 level, so total number of bonds are 3. The bonding or total number of bondings are 3. There is no anti-bonding. There is no anti-bonding. So here anti-bonding is 0. So mean this is there is no nodes. Number of nodes are present here in pi level, pi1 level or Psi1 level are 0 nodes. There is no node. In the Psi2, so that C1, C2 is the bonding between the C1 carbon and C2 carbon, and bonding between the C3 and C4. So one anti-bonding is there, that is C2, C3, the node present between the C2 carbon and C3 carbon. So one node is present, mean one anti-bonding is there. So one anti-bonding and 2 bonding are there. So now we can say this is also bonding level, mean more number of bonding are there here. So 2 bonding, 1 anti-bonding, 1 node here the Psi1, 0 node here, 1 node in pi2. And in pi star 3 anti-bonding, here C1, C2 there is one anti-bonding, and C3 and C4 one more anti-bonding are there. But the bonding electrons are present in the C2 and C3. So one bonding, 2 anti-bonding are there. So 2 anti-bonding are mean 2 nodes are present where C1, C2 and C3, C4, 3 anti-bonding, and bonding is the C3 and C4. So this is the pi star anti-bonding. And Psi4, here there is no bonding electrons, so completely 3 nodes are present. So C1, C2, C2, C3 and C4 all are anti-bonding are present. There is no bonding in this one. So this is the explanation and energy level diagram of pi molecular orbital of 0.3 butadiene. And finally, pi molecular orbital of benzene. We know that benzene structure, this is the benzene is having the 3 pi bonds, here 3 pi bonds, whereas 1,3-butadiene, so only 2 pi bonds are there, but whereas here, so 3 pi bonds are there, these 3 pi bonds, but the 6 carbons atoms are there. How many? 6 carbons atoms are there. Here also C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6 are pi1, pi2, pi3, pi4. So we 6 carbon atoms here, each one is in the 1 electron, each one is having the 1 electron, 6 p orbitals. The pi1 level, so all our bonding electrons are present, there is no anti-bonding, so all completely bonding electrons. Whereas in the pi2 level and pi3 level, so one anti-bonding is there, so mean one node is present, so remaining all are bonding electrons, whereas in pi4, pi star 4 and pi star 5, so there are 2 nodes are there, so 2 anti-bondings in each. Pi star having the 2 anti-bonding, pi star 5 also having the 2 anti-bonding electrons. So remaining are bonding electrons. but more number of antibondings are there, so we can say that above the line of antibonding, below this line pericenter is the bonding electrons, and here there is no bonding electron in the pi star 6, so all are antibonding, so that 3 antibondings are there, mean 3 nodes are present in this one. So this is the pi molecular orbital of benzene, pi molecular. So that most important 1,3 butadiene and F2 oxygen and nitrogen. So these are very important. So we write the, you have to remember, draw, practice diagrams and bond order, magnetic property and molecular configuration. These are very important. Okay, thank you very much.